A double.
Double
Jack
shark?
got a double.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Those are, rock bass.
Rock bass.
Oh, man.
Nice,
Oh,
Jack.
good job.
I think I'm thinking. we got shark and we got rock bass.
Yeah, double.
You can if they're the right size.
We'll take some pictures with the camera.
You want to take pictures with the camera?
Yes, he is going the wrong way.
There he.
Here we go.
Oh, it's a bonnet head. Nice one.
Yeah.
I say you take him home.
Yeah.
Oh, look at. Was that a? No, I was gonna say another shark, but no.
No, if it would have been a nice size.
Yeah, he's gonna be fun to bring in.
Yeah. I don't know. I did. Yeah. There's a turtle right there.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Yeah. We're gonna lose him. No, I took off the metal.
Oh, okay. Let me get the net then.
No, it's all right. We can play. Yeah.
He's a 3-footer. That's a. Yeah, he is a fighter.
Yes.
You see the pinfish hanging on the side?
Yeah.
Not in his mouth. Grab him by the tail.
Yeah. Jack.
It just sort of cut your finger, that line. Or even the fin. There you go. Good job, Andy. Oop.
Nice.
He's gonna castrate you, man.
Yeah.
And it's bigger. Yeah, he's a big boy. Yeah. Andy's gonna stick it to his forehead, right? Remora.
Caught any number of those.
They're slimy. You want the towel? Because they are very slimy. All right, stick them to your forehead. Oh yeah. Is it gonna hold?
Oh, he almost did. Now, what do you do?
No,
after
your
that?
head's too round, dude. It's gotta be. Oh, you have that shirt on. So.
All right. I got a trout.
A trout?
I
Yeah.
need a.
He might not be big enough.
Oh, come on. I need the net.
Oh, well, you gotta speak, buddy. Here you go. You got him.